if your dryer vent goes through your attic onto your roof, make sure you have it checked at least once a year. I have seen some crazy disasters in attics over the 10 years I've been doing dryer vent cleaning. This is pretty common. The people who built it just pointed it towards the opening, but it didn't quite make it. Half the lint was going into the attic. This one was completely disconnected. I started running my brushes. This was actually in a 4-story condo, so I couldn't get to the roof to know if it was connected. But it looks like when they were installing the air conditioning ducts, they might have knocked it out from where it was, so it wasn't connected at all. This is another one. It was just pointing towards where it's supposed to let out. It wasn't sealed in. You want to make sure that there is an airtight seal on your vent to the attic so that none of the heat or lint gets blown into your attic. This is really scary because the dryer will still work fine because the air is coming out unless it gets really hot like in the summer and then the temperature is hotter in the attic than it is in the dryer. So it will affect your drying, but it is hard to know without going into the attic. I have seen some crazy stuff. This customer's house, they literally had 2 to 3, I think it was 3 vents going into the same opening. It was the kitchen vent and the bathroom exhaust vent and the dryer vent. So every time they would turn on their dryer to do laundry, they would get hot air and lint blowing into their bathroom and kitchen. It was a complete disaster, and there really wasn't much I could do because there wasn't enough holes in the ceiling of the attic to connect them separately, so I had to leave it this way. But this was crazy. I don't know why any builders would think that this would work. A dryer vent has to be one vent going from the back of the dryer all the way to the attic and then outside of the house or to the side of the house. If you have more than one vent connected at the same time to the same opening, this will not work very well at all. Like I said, they were having the lint was blowing through their kitchen and in their bathroom because the vents were attached, which is super dangerous. And then this one over here in the attic was another time where I went up there and it was just completely disconnected and not attached at all. Not even close to being attached, so I had to repair this one. It is a little bit difficult to do repairs in the attic, but you could see how much lint was building up in the attic, which is a super bad fire hazard. This was another one where it was split in half. It didn't make it anywhere close to where it was supposed to be, and I had to vacuum all the lint out of the attic. So check out this video here if you want to learn how to clean your dryer vent. Thank you for watching.